Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Before we get started with our next character equation, it's worth repeating and remembering the whole reason that we go to school: to make life better for ourselves, our families, our pets, our future family, and friends. Remembering this helps us get ready to learn. We're here to gain the knowledge and skills that help us stay healthy, think clearly, and work together wisely. Each day, we practice being caring, safe, organized, and focused so we can grow into people who build stability, freedom, and happiness for everyone around us. Around the world, there are children being taught a different way, that some people don't matter as much as others, or even how to cause harm. But at our school, we choose to believe in mutual respect, where everyone deserves the opportunity to reach their highest level of health, liberty, and happiness, while they help others do the same. We are learning to cooperate and build one another up, to discover cures, strengthen communities, and protect freedom. Because every time we learn, listen, and lift each other, we're proving that a better future is possible when we build it together. Are you ready to learn the next character equation? Let's go. We are back on our exciting project of building a better world for you, your family, your friends, your school, and your neighborhood. And we need your help. Big mission, right? But don't worry, we're tackling it one step and one character equation at a time. Are you ready to explore a new and helpful character equation? Kindness plus understanding equals responsibility. Here's a letter for your parents and teachers. You can pause the video and read it here. Today, we're going to explore a new and helpful character equation. Kindness plus understanding equals responsibility. This character equation is number 5 of our 9 character equations for a healthier, happier school full of liberty. Remember to pause the video if you want to take a longer look. Can you see where this month's character equation fits on our health, liberty, happiness Venn diagram? That's right. It's here in the Liberty Circle, because this character equation of kindness plus understanding equaling responsibility has everything to do with how we respond to each other. This is a big part of building great friendships. But before we go on to this next character equation, let's review our previous character equation. Let's see what we remember. Who remembers what it is? What was the first part? Remember to pause the video if you need a few minutes to think. Yes, patience. What is the next character trait in this character equation? Yes, keen senses. These two character traits together make what strong character trait? Yes, perception. These character traits help us get ready to learn. by helping us bring in all kinds of information through our senses. Being patient while using our keen senses at the same time to create perception is the main goal of this character equation. Yes, patience plus keen senses equals perception. Remember to keep using these character traits as you keep building your best life possible. Now, we want to hear from you. Pretend like you're using a phone to call me and tell me about a time when you learned, loved, or led by using this character equation in the last month. Then, raise your hand if you want to share with everyone in the group. It is truly awesome how you've all been working hard to make our school a better place for you and all your friends and teachers by using these character traits. Choosing to be patient and adding your keen senses means you are developing accurate perception. This is a skill you can use your whole life, and this choice makes for a brighter future for you and all those you care about. Let's keep going. Let's learn about our new character equation. Are you ready to jump in? Kindness plus understanding equals responsibility. Here's how it works.
Step 1. What does the word kindness mean? Let's brainstorm. What do you think the word kindness means?
Remember to pause the video to think for a while. Kindness is all about being thoughtful and caring towards others. When you're kind, you're making others feel valued, whether through a simple smile, offering to help, or just being a good listener. Kindness builds bridges, creating a better environment for everyone. Interestingly, kindness is not only about helping others. When you choose kindness, it helps you to grow into a compassionate person who wants to be helpful to other people and yourself. Kindness means choosing to care for someone in a way that truly helps them. Kindness is thoughtful, and it's not just about doing something nice. It's about doing something useful. Kindness is sharing your crayons or markers after you notice someone doesn't have any and would like to join in. Kindness is inviting someone to play when you notice they might be feeling left out. Kindness is helping a friend picking up their spilled supplies when you can tell they feel overwhelmed or frustrated. Kindness is listening when a classmate wants to talk because you can tell that they need a caring friend. Kindness is helping younger students carry something heavy when you see they're struggling.
Step 2. What do you think the word understanding means? Let's brainstorm. What do you think the word understanding means?
Understanding means slowing down and thinking about what someone is feeling and what they actually need. Before we choose how to help, we pause, listen, and look carefully. When we understand first, we make better choices because we're thinking about the real situation, not just what we assume. The ability to think through what someone is experiencing and feel what they're feeling, this helps you know the needs of a person or an animal in a certain situation. Thinking about how another person is thinking and feeling is part of understanding. Here are some examples. Understanding is stopping to think about what someone actually needs before trying to help. Understanding is asking what would help you right now instead of guessing. Understanding is noticing clues like someone's face, body language, or tone to try to figure out what they might be feeling. Understanding is realizing that What you think is helpful may not be what someone else really needs. Understanding is listening closely so you can choose the kind of kindness that actually helps. Together, these two character traits of kindness and understanding equal responsibility. Understanding is about connecting with others on a deeper level by listening, empathizing, and considering their point of view. When you choose responsibility, you are contributing to a feeling or culture of inclusion and care for everyone in your school, home, and neighborhood. Your understanding strengthens our ability to help others and helps make life better and the world a more connected place. When kindness comes after understanding, it becomes stronger, wiser, and more helpful. Yes, when we put these two traits together, we get responsibility. Responsibility is the choice to respond with thoughtful actions and words to improve circumstances or meet expectations. Understanding comes first when we pause, listen, and notice what someone really needs. We will then understand the situation. Then kindness becomes helpful. When we understand first, our kindness fits the moment and truly helps. That is how kindness plus understanding equal responsibility. Take a look at these pictures. They show some examples of kindness and understanding and how these two traits come together to become responsibility. Kindness and understanding create a powerful combination that leads to responsibility. It's more than just doing what's required. It's recognizing needs and responding with empathy and purpose. This equation is a big part of liberty, fostering physical, emotional, and social stability. It's through this stability that we learn how to show kindness thoughtfully, whether with friends, family, neighbors, pets, or even our own environment. We even practice understanding when we sharpen our ability to recognize what others need and how best to help them. This process strengthens responsibility, making it a natural and valued part of our character. For each of these photos, ask yourself and then discuss with your friends what is happening in the photo. Do you see kindness? Tell more about why this photo is showing kindness. What type of kindness is this helper giving? You can see in this photo, for example, that someone is helping another person up a hill. What did the helper need to understand before choosing this type of kindness? Well, it could be that the one that needed help was hurting. Maybe they hurt their leg or their ankle, or maybe they were getting tired, or maybe they were a little frightened of heights. It could have been so many different things, but the helper needed to understand why the person was in need of help so that they could better share kindness. What if the helper did not understand the kind of need that was necessary to be helpful before showing the kindness? Would it have been as helpful? No, because we need to understand what others need, even understand what ourselves need before we can be the best kind of helper, the best kind of kind person. How does this choice exemplify responsibility? Well, the boy that was helping the other one up the hill could have just turned around and walked away, but he decided to respond in a way that was kind and helpful through understanding what was necessary before he chose the kindness. For the next photos, continue to have a discussion like this. It doesn't matter if you get it just right. It's more about coming up with ideas so that in the real world, with real people, your real friends and family, you can then help them and be kind in ways that are understanding and responsible. Look at this photo. What is happening? Do you see kindness? Take a moment to pause this video and talk to each other. Tell more about why this photo is showing kindness. What type of kindness is this helper giving? What did the helper need to understand before choosing this type of kindness to give? What if the helper did not understand the kind of need necessary to be helpful before being kind? Would it have been as helpful? How does this choice exemplify responsibility? Here's another photo of kindness and understanding that equal responsibility. Answer the same questions with one another. How about this photo? Remember to pause the video and talk with each other about the kind of kindness and understanding you see in this photo. Let's keep going. There's a few more pictures to consider. Here's a fun activity to try. It will help us think about understanding what someone else is going through. Sometimes people say, think about what it's like to stand in another person's shoes. This is a funny expression. What do you think it means? Find a few pair of really large shoes and try out these activities with your teachers and friends. Here is an example scenario with 3 multiple choice options designed to encourage empathy, understanding, and specific acts of kindness. This scenario helps us develop responsibility for ourselves and others by thinking about specific circumstances and considering another person's perspective before planning kind ways to help. These are the steps to responsibility. Let's try it out. Scenario number 1, forgotten lunch situation. Let's say your classmate, Jamie, looks upset during lunch. You ask why, and Jamie says she forgot her lunch at home. What can you do first to understand Jamie's feelings? Could you, number 1, ask Jamie how she's feeling about it? Or 2, tell Jamie it's not that big of a deal and move on. Or 3, ignore Jamie because it's not your problem. What do you think the best thing to do in this situation is if you want to be kind and understand Jamie? Right. Number 1, ask Jamie how she's feeling about it. Then follow up. Now that you understand Jamie's feelings, what kind of thing can you do to help? 1, you could offer to share some of your lunch. Or 2, you could remind Jamie to bring her lunch tomorrow. Or 3, you could tell the teacher or the cafeteria staff to see if they can help get Jamie something to eat. Right, your best option is number 1 or 3. Either one or both of those will work out just fine, and it shows responsibility. Go to the next scenarios. Ask a grown-up to help you figure out how to work through each one of the scenarios so that you're building on this character equation. It doesn't matter if you're choosing kindness first or understanding first, as long as you're doing both of those. Because sometimes you decide you want to be kind, then you have to choose to understand what the person's going through. You can go back to kindness. After you understand them a little bit better, you can kind of see that it's a combination of these two things, no matter what order you put them in. And together, they build an even stronger character trait of responsibility. I think you're getting it. The goal of this character equation is developing responsibility by using kindness and understanding at the same time. For this character equation, we'll be practicing using understanding with kindness to develop responsibility with various activities in the coming days. By practicing kindness and understanding at the same time, we can make our school and our world a better place for everyone. When you take time to really understand someone from their point of view or their perspective, then you can respond with choices, words, and actions that are truly kind. That's why it can even help us overcome bullying. Let's think about it. What is the opposite of this equation? It's the fifth kind of bullying and betrayal. Cruelty plus being inconsiderate equals avoiding responsibility. It's difficult to talk about bullying and betrayal, but we must talk about it so that we don't get harmed by bullying. The fifth kind of bullying is the opposite of our new equation of kindness plus understanding equals responsibility. Think about it like this. What is the opposite of kindness? Right, cruelty. When someone is cruel to you and you're trying your best, that is a kind of bullying. Okay, now what is the opposite of understanding? Let's think about it. Right, being inconsiderate or unsympathetic, not thinking about your feelings. Now, what is the opposite of responsibility? Exactly. The combination of being cruel and inconsiderate makes people feel like they don't matter, and this is not okay. We need you and everyone on our human family team learning and contributing at our best to reach our goal of making our world a better place for everyone to learn, live, and thrive. When someone is cruel or unsympathetic, they're not responding appropriately to help that person. It's like betraying your own team. Blaming others or acting with cruelty is a form of bullying that avoids responsibility, and this shifts the blame. Often the bullying convinces his or herself that the person deserves to be blamed or punished for no reason. It can make that person feel hurt and alone. What to do to fix it? Well, if someone ever blames you or treats you cruelly because they say you deserve it, you can say, "That's not right." It's important to be kind and understand each other's feelings and circumstances. Let's work together to find solutions instead of pointing fingers. And if you feel like you want to shift the blame, choose to be courageous and see where the blame actually lies. And remember, this has happened for many hundreds of years. People on the playground that might say she did it or he did it when they didn't do it is something that we've been working on solving for a long time as human beings. Bullying gets in the way of your learning and your well-being, so it's important to find the right solution to make it stop. Let's listen to a poem about eagles and how they show responsibility. It's titled Wings of Responsibility. High on the cliffs where the eagles soar, their wings stretched wide, their spirits explore. With every glide and every care, they show us lessons beyond compare. An eagle's kindness, so fierce yet gentle, lies in actions, instinct, and the parental. Guarding the nest, providing the need, teaching their young to take flight and succeed. Understanding flows in the eagle's gaze, a wisdom of seasons, of sunlit days. They read the winds, they hear the call, knowing what's needed to nurture it all. Responsibility takes flight with grace as they build and protect their sacred space. Responsive to danger, to hunger, to cries, the eagle adapts, steadfast and wise. So let's learn from their tireless care to act with kindness, to always be aware. Through understanding, we'll rise and see the power of our shared responsibility. Here's a song to learn with your music class so you can think and act like eagles do, because they exemplify this character equation of kindness plus understanding equals responsibility. Here are a few more ideas of activities to help learn about our character equation. You and your classmates can choose from these activities. There are so many ways to learn how to be responsible by being kind and understanding. So remember, to truly embody kindness for ourselves and others, we must understand the circumstances that we and others are experiencing. When we consistently demonstrate these traits, responsibility naturally flows. Together, these traits empower us to act in ways that promote fairness, teamwork, and well-being for ourselves and our whole community. You're doing great. You have now learned 5 character equations so far. Can you see them circled here? Now it's time to celebrate. See you at the Town Hall celebration. These videos are free to share. Our goal is to help every child grow in the character traits of health, liberty, and happiness. You can help us reach more schools and learning communities by liking, subscribing, and sharing. For more learning materials, visit thehumandominoeffect.com. And don't forget, if you need a refresher on how to make your best choices in your own life, you can go back and watch the Healthy, Happy, Free videos. Until next time, keep making choices that include all 3 to be healthy, happy, and free.
Until next